The perimeter rule is used to detect when objects enter a protected area through a perimeter area, or detect when an object is in the perimeter area for too long. To configure this rule, log into the Illustra Web Gui using the default username and password admin. Select Setup on the web user interface and navigate to Event and Actions. Select Analytics, then select the AI Object Classification tab. Select Enable AI Object Classification checkbox to enable the AI Object Classification on the camera. You do have the option to select the Highlight Detections checkbox to create a visual representation within the camera view. Next, select the New Rule icon, and then type a rule name for your rule definition in the field provided. Select a fault action from the Action drop-down menu. This fault action is activated when the parameters of the analytic rule are met. Select the rule type from the Rule Type drop-down menu, and select an object type from the Object Class drop-down menu. Using the drawing tools on the right-hand side, select the region of interest from the camera view. As you will notice, there are additional drawing tools when using the parameter rule type. This will highlight the individual zones of interest. Use these tools to define the zones of interest for the protected area and the perimeter area. Each selection is highlighted via a different color. The perimeter area is in green and the protected area is in yellow. The linger time is used to specify the amount of time an object lingers within the perimeter zone before the alarm is triggered. Once the rule definitions have been configured, select the Save button to save your changes.